How to change default download location to SD card on Samsung devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using Chrome browser or any sort of browser, and if you want to change your default download location to SD card, so here's what you need to do. Is just head over to your favorite browser and simply click on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and now just select settings. And once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the option called download. Just select download. And as you can see, currently in this device, I do not have an SD card. So internal storage is only thing that I've got as my storage. So it is automatically, when I press on it, it will automatically show and set it to the internal memory card, that is my internal storage. So if I were to have an SD card, it would give me or provide me the two options to choose SD card or internal storage. So here you should be getting SD card once you tap on it, and you can simply tap on that SD card button to successfully save your settings, download settings on your device. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.